Solving your
and
China
advisors,
business
we are
pain
here to
points.
help you solve your
My name is
business
Christina
pain points
Kohler-Colucci. I'm the
in
head of
China.
business advisory at
In
Woodburn
today's
China
episode,
Advisors.
we're going to be looking
and
at
in today's
2022
episode, we're going to be looking at how
what's
to
happening
avoid
in
a tax
2023.
audit in China.
So I
Taxes
suppose the first
represent one of
question
the most
really to be asking
important
is,
sources
what are the
of
most
revenue for the
important
Chinese government,
regulatory
and tax
changes in
authorities
China
have
that
stepped up their
occurred in
efforts on
2022
enforcement
in my point of
and
view?
collection of
Now, the
corporate
negative
taxes.
list for foreign investment access
Even the
and
most
the negative list for foreign
well-intentioned
investment in
and honest
pilot-free trade
businesses in
zones,
China can get
these two
penalized
negative lists
for unqualified
enumerate the
fapiaos,
industries where foreign
missing
investment will
supporting
either
documents,
be prohibited or
and
restricted.
simple human-made
The national
mistakes
negative list and the free
made
trade
by
zone negative
employees.
list were shortened to 31
In the
and
past
27
few years,
items,
the Chinese government
respectively.
has improved
Both
the
the
country's
lists
business
widened the
environment
opening
to
of the automobile
allure foreign
manufacturing
investment
and the radio and
offset
TV
a
device
slower economic
manufacturing
growth.
sectors.
At the same time, they
The
have tried to
tariff
increase
adjustment
the
plan,
overall
which
awareness
determined
of the society
import and
and to
export
preempt
tariffs of
taxpayers from
selected
engaging
goods.
in any
In
non-compliance
2022,
tax
China
practice.
imposed
The
interim
message is simple:
import tax
no more
rates on
business
954
as usual.
commodities,
The days of
previously
hiding
subject
profits and
to the
avoiding
default
paying
most
taxes in
favored
China
nation
are
tariffs
over.
that are higher.
For
Among the
foreign
items
companies, the
included
best way
were
to avoid these
anti-cancer
tax
drugs
risks
and
is to
medical
maintain
products,
a complete and accurate set
aquatic
of
products,
books.
sports
The reality
equipment,
in China is that most businesses may have to
auto
deal at some
parts,
point with these hidden
materials
tax
for
risks
environmental
caused by
restoration,
negligence
and
or
manufacturing
simply poor quality
components and raw
accounting.
materials.
If audited,
The third
a poorly kept set of books
regulation,
creates additional
I would
tax
say,
liabilities.
is measures for the
Companies
safety
can
of
also see
food
their
for
credit
import and
level
export, which
decrease
covers
from
requirements
A to
on
B,
food exports to
C,
China,
or D,
including
with
overseas facilities
devastating
registration,
consequences and limitations
record
on future
filings
operations.
by importers and exporters,
The tax system in
quarantine
China is
inspection,
complicated,
product
and it can be
labeling,
difficult for
among
foreign
other
individuals
procedures
to
that have to
understand it.
be
Tax
implemented.
audits are extremely time-consuming, and their
The next
impact on the
question I
business
want to
can be
review is,
negative.
how has China's
In
legal
general,
framework
a
changed in
targeted
the past
taxpayer
3
should
years?
start
What are the
by
top
finding out
3
what the
things
tax
that
authorities are
companies in
after.
China should be
A
mindful
corporate tax
about?
audit usually
Now, in the
focuses
past
on
3
the
years, the Chinese
appropriateness or
government has clamped down on
validity of
antitrust
tax treatments on
violations.
specific
They've
items
banned
that may
private
result in a
tuition groups.
material
They've
tax
reined
impact.
in property
Some
developers,
common
debt
examples
binge, and
of
imposed
this
data
would be
processing rules, as well
taxability of an
as
income
a
item, the
supervision system for
reasonableness of
cross-border
transfer
data
pricing
flow.
for related party
The most
transactions,
important pieces of legislation have been the anti-monopoly law, which
the
imposes
deductibility of
rules
material
to prohibit unfair
expenditure,
competition
the
online
eligibility for
and
preferential
abuses
tax
of market dominance,
treatments,
the
etc.
data security law, and
It
the
is
personal information
crucial to
protection
understand
law.
that the motives and
The
agenda
current
of the
legal
tax
framework for
authorities to
data
develop
regulation
an
needs
effective
further
strategy for handling the
regarding
tax
data
audit
classification,
and to
data
submit the proper
transactions,
information and documents.
cybersecurity, and data security review
There are
processes,
different
among
circumstances
others.
that can
For
potentially
foreign
attract the tax
investors,
authorities' attention,
data
and
accessibility
that you
issues
should
may
consider
continue
to
until
avoid
regulations and rules
a
are
tax
finalized.
audit.
Nevertheless, China has begun cracking down on personal data violations and
So
abuses.
areas in which
Authorities have also strengthened the
there
supervision
could be red
of
flags.
advertising in key areas
Certain
and
red
focus on
flags
regulating
in your
activities such
financial
as
reports
misleading
could
consumers by
represent a possible
low-quality
reason for an
products,
audit if the Chinese tax
failing
authorities identify in their
to
system a
review the
mismatch
market
of
access
gross salary
qualifications of sold products,
between
and
individual
failing
income
to urge
tax
merchants to
declaration
recall
report and
defective
corporate
consumer
income tax
goods.
declaration report.
Companies
This
should be
creates an alert that
extremely
they will want to
vigilant
investigate.
on these previously mentioned areas,
Under China's golden tax system,
specifically on the
tax authorities
cross-border
have the
transfer of
ability
data.
to spot any potential
The
fraudulent
last question I want to
practice
review is, what's the most
systematically and
buzzing
efficiently.
topic in
Tax
China's
reports, financial
legal
reports, FAPIA information,
regulatory field
social
this
security
year? You know, what
filing,
changes,
customs clearance,
trends
business registration,
are
and many
you
other documents
watching
are
closely?
integrated into a
So
unified
factors
system.
such as COVID-19,
Most of the
citywide lockdowns,
fraudulent
and the conflict
activities
in
which
Ukraine have
businesses in
diminished
China
economic
engage in to
momentum in
minimize their
China
tax
and definitely
liability
diminished
are
opportunities for
easily
business.
spotted through
It's
the
clear
golden
that the
tax system.
government's regulatory campaign has shifted away
And
from the
repeated
growth
irregularities
above all
in financial
mentality seen in
figures
previous
will
years.
seem suspicious to
The zero
the
COVID
tax
policy in
officers.
China, the supply
With
chain
every
interruptions, and
subsequent
the
alert,
stricter
your company
regulations
will
have
likely need
forced
to
foreign
produce
companies
supporting
to
documents
reconsider further
or
investments in the
risk an
country.
audit.
Many are
If the
looking to
supporting
move or
documents cannot be
diversify
provided, an
their
audit
production
will be
lines to
performed.
friendlier shores like Vietnam.
In China, relationships are
Though
everything. They can be
companies
extremely
remain
beneficial or
interested
they
in the
can be
vast Chinese
damaging.
market, they are
One example of
reconsidering the
this is being
supply chain and
reported to the tax
logistics.
authorities with
Foreign
and without
investment in China's
substantiated
tech
cause,
companies has
even
gotten
when there
more
is a lack of
complicated.
any
For
substantial
international
wrongdoing, except
corporations,
from one individual
accessing
could
corporate
trigger
data from
unwelcome
China can
detention.
become more difficult in the near
Unhappy
term.
business partners,
Foreign
disgruntled
companies running
employees,
platforms
minority
or apps in
shareholders,
China must be more
clients could be
vigilant
responsible
when
for
collecting and
denouncing your
using
company.
personal information.
It is
and
crucial
a
that
tighter
managers, business owners ensure that their
regulatory
dealings with
environment.
employees, clients, and partners
Over the
are
last few
clearly
years,
laid
the
out in the
economic
terms of the
slowdown caused by
contracts.
COVID and a
Termination
string of
should be done in
unexpected
full compliance
regulatory
with the
moves from
terms of the
policymakers
contract and applicable
contributed
laws,
to a more
as
challenging
well as with
business
appropriate
environment
concessions to avoid
and
creating potential
overall
liabilities.
impacted market optimism.
Another
The most
situation that may
buzzing
require a
word
tax audit is if
rather
you
than
apply for a
topic
tax
for
refund
2023,
for
in my
overpaid
opinion,
profits, income
is
tax, or
uncertainty.
VAT. Unless
China
the
has
amount is
suddenly
small, an
removed the
audit
zero
will be
COVID
necessary,
policy,
and a
and the
portion of
rules
the
and
amount claimed
regulations for
back might be
mobility of
offset by
people has
any
completely
hidden tax
changed.
risks exposed.
On one side, this brings hope,
during the audit.
optimism, and a
In
crazy
China, applying
increase
for
in
a tax
travel
refund is not
opportunities
easy.
in
The
China
profits
and
tax
from abroad.
is
However,
paid quarterly
there is
based
always
on
in the back of
estimated
my
profits,
mind
followed by
this
an annual
what-if
tax
scenario
clearance based on the actual
that does
profits
make
at
people
year end.
hesitant.
If you overpay
Who knows what
your
2023 will bring for
income
China,
tax
but
for the
I'm
financial year,
definitely
you might
looking
find
forward to
yourself
being on the
assessing
front
whether to
line.
take the risks
I'm still
associated
keeping
with
up my
requesting a tax
positivity
refund
and
and
my
being audited.
optimism to see things change
Tax
and turn
planning,
around. I
proper
foresee
financial
this still to
controlling
be
are
quite
the
a
best ways to
turbulent
minimize the
year
costs
in
related
terms
to
of getting
claiming back overpaid taxes at the year end.
getting stable.
A tax
having
audit is also
stability in the
required
market.
when
There will
liquidating
be
a
a
company
surge
in
in
China
COVID
to prove
cases.
that
It
the
is
business does
predicted
not
that
have
there
any
will be
outstanding
4
tax
peaks
liabilities. This is just
where
standard
the COVID
operating
virus
procedure.
will be infecting people.
This is basically the last chance for
It
the
is
tax
expected
authorities
that
to
the
collect
first half
tax
of this
revenue,
year
and they
will
will
be
do everything in
tricky.
their power to
Come
find
the second
any
half of the
taxes
year,
that may
we
be
will see
owed.
more stability. And let's
Before
hope that
liquidating the
really in
company, you must be
2024,
sure that you will
there can be
pass
a
the corporate
huge
income
kickoff.
tax clearance, the VAT
I
clearance,
hope this video
the
has
individual income
helped.
tax clearance,
And if you've
stamp
got any
duty
questions
clearance,
or you want to discuss
customs
your China
clearance,
pain
etc.
points, then please do reach
and
out
make
to
sure
us.
that
I
we
will be
avoid having
providing
to
our
pay hefty
calendar
taxes
link.
at a later
You can
stage.
sign up for a free 15-minute call.
Many
where
businesses
we
take
will
advantage
discuss
of the
your
lower
pain
tax
points
rates
and see if
associated
we
with
at
being a
Woodburn
small-scale
Accountants and Advisors
taxpayer
can
by
help.
opening several legal entities.
If you enjoyed today's
They
video,
often
please
fail to
press the
maintain an
like
accurate set
button.
of
This will help
books.
us get more
The
views.
financial reports
And definitely
often contain
subscribe if you want to
significant
get
tax
updated
risks
on a
that
daily
result from
basis.
poor quality bookkeeping
If you want to
or
learn
rushed
more about what we
bookkeeping.
do and what I do,
Unfortunately, in this
head
scenario,
on
tax
over to
audit is unavoidable. We
woodburnglobal.com.
have to make
You
sure
can
to
find all of
eliminate
our
any tax
resources and
liabilities
information.
before considering
I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care and goodbye.
The tax audits are usually carried out by independent tax investigation teams within the tax bureau at the local or at the provincial level. Selection is based on certain sampling criteria, such as the taxpayer's financial and tax position, level of sales, industry, sector, nationality of the shareholder, origin of the parent company, etc. Now, one thing I want to highlight is that you may even be required to do a tax audit if everything is going right. If you are in an industry or sector where actually you are doing better than your competitors, it could very well be that the tax authorities come into your organization to make an investment, to make an audit, to verify, sort of questions like, why are you doing better than your competitors, especially if there's a huge marginal difference. The key is making sure that we want to avoid having a tax audit done. It takes up a lot of time. There's a lot of worry. There's a lot of fear. You're never sure what the outcome might be, whether it's positive, whether it is negative. If you feel like you're in a stage where you want to have a checkup done, you just want to see whether your business is going in the right direction. And like I said, you want to maintain a level of good standing within your organization. We've provided a link to our diary. You can set up a free 15-minute call. It's a discovery call. We're going to look at your pain points and see whether we can help you. If you enjoyed today's video, please do press that like button. Please share the video. It helps more people become aware of what we do and allows us to help them if they're struggling in China. And if you want to know more about our services, head on over to woodburnglobal.com. There's a list of our full service list together with our testimonials and other resources that may be useful to you. I'd like to wish you a great day. Take care.